welcome to Sri Chaitanya. Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. This is Uma Shankar, All India IIT coordinator. Welcome to JEE Max. JEE Mains Advanced Extreme Series number 2. Through this season, we are completely concentrating on a particular chapter which is very, very important for JEE Mains and Advanced of that complex numbers 1. The complex numbers chapter is 1. And now we are concentrating the De Moivre's theorem of the complex numbers. This is lesson number 54. Again, my friends, please don't forget to check the description. There I am providing all the important links of the previous lessons. And along with that, if possible, I may provide some of the good assignments and important question papers also for you, for your strength in your preparation. And in lesson number 2054, we are concentrating problems of exercise 5.2 from Icon Integrated Textbook. And here now through this video, we are concentrating problems 5, 1 and 2. See the first question. If alpha is equal to cos 2 pi by 5 plus I sin 2 pi by 5, show that alpha plus alpha power 4 and alpha square plus alpha cube are the roots of the equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Read the question properly. While looking at the alpha itself, if you are getting the idea like simply alpha is nothing but one of the fifth roots of unity, then problem is in your hand. Because it looks like what? Cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. What is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n? One of the nth root of unity. Like this is one of the fifth root of unity. So that means, okay, anyhow we are concentrating on the fifth roots of unity. That is the concept behind the screen. But we have, with the help of that, what I am going to say is, these are the roots of the equation that I am going to show. If I want to show these are the roots of this particular equation, if we know that what is quadratic equation having roots gamma and delta, that means x square minus of gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta equal to 0. This in general we can write. That means you find sum of the roots and product of the roots. And with help of sum of the roots and product of the roots, you can write the quadratic equation correspondingly. So what is sum of the root? What is alpha plus alpha power 4 plus alpha square plus alpha cube? I need to find what is alpha plus alpha power 4 plus alpha square plus alpha cube. What is this value? And what is product? That is alpha plus alpha power 4 into alpha square plus alpha cube. What is this product? If I know these two values, then I can write the corresponding quadratic equation very easily. For that, what I am doing is, I am solving the fifth roots of unity. So, see the hint here. So, x is equal to fifth root 1. This is cos 2k pi by 5 plus I sin 2k pi by 5, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If k equal to 0, x is equal to 1. This is one root. K is equal to 1. This is my another root. K equal to 2, let it be, this is alpha say, and second k for k equal to 2, let my root be alpha square say, then this is cos 4 pi by 5 plus I sin 4 pi by 5. Similarly for k equal to 3, this is alpha cube, this is cos 6 pi by 5 plus I sin 6 pi by 5. This also I can write it as like this, because this is reciprocal equation. This is reciprocal equation. Which one? X power 5 minus 1 equal to 0 is a reciprocal equation. So whenever alpha is a root, 1 by alpha is also root. So whenever this is a root, whenever this is alpha square is a root, 1 by alpha square, that is 1 by alpha square, nothing but alpha cube, because alpha power 5 equal to 1, alpha power 5 equal to 1. That's why alpha square is equal to 1 by alpha cube, and alpha cube is equal to 1 by alpha square, like that. Similarly, alpha power 4 is equal to 1 by alpha, alpha equal to 1 by alpha power 4. Like that, I can get several relations with help of these roots. So, similarly for k equal to 4, my root is x is equal to alpha power 4. That alpha power 4 I can write like this, and even that also I can write it as cos 2 pi by 5 plus minus I sin 2 pi by 5. This is the golden step whenever nth roots of unity, and with the help of nth roots of unity, if something we have to solve, because they are all, that is what, a reciprocal equation, and based on that we may get this kind of relations. So now my question is, what is my alpha plus alpha power 4? What is my alpha plus alpha power 4 that I need to find? Okay. For that, what I am doing is, see, so my alpha plus alpha power 4, this is my alpha, I know, this is my alpha, I know very, very easily. and this is my alpha power 4. This is my alpha power 4. By adding these two, I can get 2 cos 2 pi by 5. This value is root 5 minus 1 by 2 because this is what? Cos 36 degrees. So cos 2 cos 36 root 5 minus 1 by 4 into 2, that means root 5 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, what is alpha square plus alpha cube? That is again 2 cos 4 pi by 5. That is equal to minus root 5 plus 1 by 2. If you are good at these values only, you can solve the problem very easily. So now, this is one root, this is another root. What is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is equal to sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Root 5 minus 1 by 2 minus root 5 minus 1 by 2. So root 5 gets cancelled. Minus 1 minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. This is sum of the roots. And what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is equal to, that is minus of 5 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to minus 1. So sum of the roots is minus 1 and the product is minus 1. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus x into sum of the roots, that is minus 1, plus product of the roots minus 1 equal to 0, that is x square, plus x minus 1 equal to 0, that we get it. This is the way to solve the problem very easily. Again, I am telling, fifth roots of unity is given for you. Then sum of fifth roots of unity is 0. That is 1 point. If alpha is fifth root of unity, alpha power 5 equal to 1, then alpha equal to 1 by alpha power 4. Alpha square equal to 1 by alpha cube. Alpha power 4 equal to 1 by alpha, like that reciprocally, because it is reciprocal equation. What is alpha and what is alpha square? These are the way, this is the way to get that concept very clearly. Because these models are very, very important for competitive examination, especially than board examination. In general, they never ask this kind of questions in a board examination, but even in recent mains examination also, they asked this kind of questions. Okay. Now coming to second problem. Yeah. If you read the question properly, alpha equal to cos 2 pi by 7 plus I sin 2 pi by 7, that show that the quadratic equation whose roots are this one and this one is this. It is what? It is just like the above question. It is just like above question. That means while looking at 2 pi by 7 plus I sin 2 pi by 7, immediately in your mind you will get the idea that this is about seventh roots of unity. So if alpha 1 comma alpha square comma alpha cube comma alpha power 4 comma alpha power 5 comma alpha power 6, these are the seventh roots of unity, then forget about 1. Then alpha square, alpha cube, you forget about these. Alpha is nothing but 1 by alpha power 6, and this is 1 by alpha power 5, and this is 1 by alpha power 4. You can get it. But what is alpha? Alpha is nothing but cos 2 pi by 7 plus I sin 2 pi by 7. This is my alpha. Then next, what is alpha square? This is cos 4 pi by 7 plus I sin 4 pi by 7. What is alpha cube? Cos 6 pi by 7 plus I sin 6 pi by 7. So then what is my alpha power 4? Alpha power 4 is 1 by alpha cube, that is cos 6 pi by 7 minus I sin 6 pi by 7. And what is alpha power 5? That is cos 1 by alpha square, I can write. That is cos 4 pi by 7 minus I sin 4 pi by 7. And what is my alpha power 6? That is cos 2 pi by 7 minus I sin 2 pi by 7. If you are writing all this information very quickly on paper, then problem is in your court. Now the question is, what is about sum of the roots? Sum of the root means alpha plus alpha square plus alpha power 4 plus alpha cube plus alpha power 5 plus alpha power 6. This is sum of the roots. It is nothing but what? Minus 1, because sum of the seventh roots of unity is 0. That means 1 plus alpha square and so on plus alpha power 6 is 0. Therefore, here 1 is not there. So this value is minus 1. Similarly, you find product. That means alpha plus alpha square plus alpha power 6 into alpha cube plus alpha power 5 plus alpha power 6. You find this product. Okay, this is alpha power 4. This is alpha power 4. You find this product, you will get the product of the roots as 2. So sum of the roots is minus 1 and the product has 2. But apply what? Alpha power 7 is equal to 1 technique also. Therefore, my quadratic equation is x square minus x into sum of the roots is minus 1 and plus product of the roots is 2. Therefore, x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0 I can get. This is my answer. Because it is just similar to first part. That's why. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and we will meet.